Hello darlings, welcome back to my channel. So for today, get ready with me on attending this cultural events. It's like the removal of uniform, a particular type of outfit from the region where I come from, the Com people. So join me, get ready with me as I prepare myself to go and attend this fabulous party. Starting off, I'm going to show you all how I do my simple party makeup. I start off with this foundation, then I use the primer from NYX. I smoothen it all over my face. I've been having this for over 3+ years. I don't get to use makeup that often, that's why it's lasted this so long. Then I go over with my foundation I get from Maybelline line. They've got different brown skin tones, you can check it out. I use this. I'm not a makeup professional, so I don't know how these brushes are called, but as you can see, the type of brush I'm using, I just go over my face and I smoothen it out. Then I commence with my eyebrow grooming. I try to shape it up using this concealer from NYX as well. This was gifted to me about 2 years ago, so it's quite still full because I don't get to use it every day. Here I use a small brush to try to shape up my eyebrow, and I do it as gently as possible. If you are a makeup guru and you're watching my channel, feel free to comment, feel free to suggest to me, give me recommendations on how best I can achieve my look to be way more flawless than I already did. So that's my eyebrow, y'all. I'm just using this small brush to smoothen it and even it out again. Some people like their eyebrows looking big, some people like it small. I think when it's a little bit bigger, it fits my frame, the frame of my face way better. And in order for it not to look so rough, I use this small brush to go over it again to give it this seamless look. What I'll highly recommend: before you apply your foundation, make sure that you moisturize your face heavily, and if it's a daytime party, make sure you wear a sunscreen as well. It's going to give it this very smooth finishing, as you all can see up close how it looks already. Then I head on with my MAC powder. I've had this powder for over 2 years. It's quite compact and it costs about €35. I think it's worth it to use it for that period of time. It's not that expensive and the quality is really top notch. Then I head over to line up my lip with this brown pencil, the same I use for my eyebrow. I use to line my lips. I intend to go in for a nude look. I'm one of those who like to look as natural as possible. Maybe one day I'm going to try to use a bold lipstick, a bold color like red or purple or pink or orange, but I always like trying to keep it as subtle as possible. Maybe y'all can recommend to me the best lipstick color that can suit my skin tone. I didn't wear false lashes, so I decided to use my mascara to make sure that my eyelashes pop out. Then I use this nude color from Primark, and I head over with my light baby pink blush from NYX as well, and I smother it over my cheeks, and I put some over my nose as well. I'm not a makeup professional, so y'all should go down with me, try to understand with me that I'm just trying my best. I can say I can do makeup way more better on another person than on my own self, because on myself I'm always like I want to keep it very very simple. As you can see, I'm just highlighting my moles on my face. I have these two moles on my face. I always like highlighting it with the eyeliner, and then I use the setting spray to make sure that my makeup stays in place. Then I add my lip gloss, and that's that. What do y'all think about the final result of my makeup look? I think I'm loving it. It's a night event. It's not too bright, it's not so much. I think it's quite okay. Then heading on to styling my French curl braids. I already did a tutorial on how to do this French curl braids, so make sure you check it up here. So I'm styling my French curl braids to represent the party. It's a party event, so it has to look party looking like, and I'm just using a rubber band and some clips and pins here and there to achieve this pineapple look, and I think it's pretty good. What do y'all think about this hairstyle? If you're not following me on my other social media platforms, make sure you check me up as well. My Instagram page is Zora Styling, and my TikTok page is Zora Styling as well. And this is how I decided to dress up my darlings. I spotted this purple sequin dress and I matched it up. I wanted gold accessories. As you can see, my earrings and my clutch are matching together. What do y'all think about this color against my skin tone? And here is the final outlook. You can see it's a full long gown, and I think I'm loving it, and I'm ready to go rock this party. Comment down below what you think. Arriving at the hall, I was wowed by how the decor was looking with the various fabrics, the various customary fabrics from Cameroon, representing culture, representing originality. And I spotted the DJ also wearing this cultural outfit, and I'm loving it. There was some little show of ambience, and I would say their own fashion show before they changed into the cultural outfit. And that's my mom in the black and white dress. She's rocking it. She's my model, and she's always looking so fab. Make sure you watch through to the end for you to spot me out where I was dancing.
Support them, clap for them.
And here they come in the traditional regalia. How beautiful do they look? I mean, I love the prints. It screams class, it screams royalty and everything. Comment down below on what you think about this particular traditional attire. I think it looks so sophisticated and very very beautiful. Hope y'all enjoyed my first get ready with me video and this little vlog of how I spent my weekend. And if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up, and thank you all so much for watching.